Well, I finished the kitchen and I'll give you a quick look to see what it's like. So I'll start here in the hallway as you come in the front door. As you can see, it's all aqua flooring. It's like a laminate, but it's a waterproof flooring. There's still a couple of things lying around. But this flooring's quite good. It's waterproof, you can mop it, you can steam mop it. More rubbish lying around. So, and we're getting this room in here all done up as an XV sort of workroom at the moment. I've put a bench in there for her knitting machine and everything. I just need to get the couch out and she can get her knitting machine set up and everything. So, yep, so going through here, there's some pictures up here. Here's my first bike. Another bikes I've had. Yeah, there was the best. I miss that bike. That's what I've got at present. It's my daughter Jennifer. Every year she gets me something different. And when I change my bike, that's what she gets me. She gets my picture of my bike for the wall, which is good. Really appreciate that. So, yeah, so this is all laminated. I didn't do this bathroom. This is a spare bathroom. I left it tiled on the floor, and the same with the toilet here. I've just left it tiled, with it being a wet area. Yeah. So anyway, this flooring goes all the way through, and all the way through the kitchen into the laundry room, which is good. We've got another set of table and chairs. As you can see, I need to put all my stuff in the shed now because it's getting a wee bit, yeah, looking a mess. And, around here, over here I've got this unit in here. It used to be, don't know if you can see that or not, that unit over there, big thing, used to be that, but I got rid of it and I've put that in instead because it looks more modern, it matches the table and chairs. And I might get a couple of cabinets up in the wall yet, I'll see. But yeah, I've kept it like that. The only thing I've got left to do here is just put a bit of beading round the edge because you can see there's a bit of a gap there. The walls are pretty well out. But however. So yeah, so the fridge freezer in here and the units go all the way around. Right over to the hob in the oven. The sink unit, I've kept the old sink unit because it's got the drinking fountain there. Tell you a funny thing I noticed with it, in the bottom of the drinking fountain there's a wee light, and every now and again there you go, it flashes. There's a battery thing fits underneath. I don't know what that does, the battery thing and the wee light flashing, but it must do something. So anyway, yeah, I left that in there and I've got my old microwave up there and coffee machine. So yeah, and there's where I make my breakfast in the morning, my kettle and toaster, and the pantry, where we keep all the food, which is absolutely full of crap, and bottles of wine. So through here is the laundry room, where we have washing machine, tumble dryer, and the dishwasher, which is on at the moment. Got my ironing board hanging up in the back of the door, and then sink in the corner there. I've got a rail to hang all my stuff up once I've ironed it, and we've got this big cupboard, which is where we keep all the stuff for my ironing. We've got the laundry liquid and fabric conditioner, stuff for the dishwasher, cat food, bloody cats. And we can keep all the steam mop and brushes and everything in there. It's quite tidy now because everything's well out the way. I'm sure Betty's going to like this the next time she's over. We'll never keep her out of here. She's got a thing about ironing. Isn't that right, sis? Oh, I'll put that light off. So yeah, and I've put the door back on here again, sliding door, which is much better. Keeps the heat in here because I put that air conditioner on the wall. And it's like a heat pump, so in the winter time, this time of the year, it keeps this area nice and warm and the heat blows right through there. And we've got one in the living room which heats the other end of the house. and the house stays nice and warm at virtually hardly any cost. With it being winter, it's getting dark quick, as you can see at the back. I cleaned the windows earlier. Got a lot of junk out there as well since I've been doing all the DIYing. And pool's looking reasonable. Still need to clip that tree down though, it's getting some size. So, yeah, that's about it. So that's the house so far, so I think that's everything done now. I won't be doing any more. I think I've done enough. So I'll be having a rest for the next few months before I start the next project, which I don't know what it'll be, but I'm sure Annette will find something for me to do. Eh, dear?
Oh, yes.
Say hello.
Hello.
See you later.